Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to cover a strategy that I really haven't seen a lot of people talk about, especially when it comes to reward travel. There are thousands of people in America right now that every time they take a trip, it is a business write-off and they're able to use their reward travel strategically, but they're also earning commissions on things like their excursions, their transportation, their cruises, all these things that have not been available to the public, at least easily, until now. And this little strategy is something that I'm going to be going into depth in today's video, and it's something that I feel like a lot of people are sleeping on, and why you shouldn't. I'm Lisa. I am the founder of Her Travel Club, where I teach women how to travel better and smarter and create really wonderful experiences for their family. So if any of that resonates with you, please follow along. I would love to have you. I am a mom of 4, 3 of them are teenagers. So whenever we travel, it's essentially a group booking where we need multiple hotel rooms. And so often I'll use a VRBO or an Airbnb. And I really don't use my credit card rewards for flying first class or things like that because I want to take my huge family on as many wonderful international trips as possible. Now, in the last 6 months, we've gone to France and Switzerland. We've actually been to France twice, Costa Rica, Mexico, and we've also been able to take some really wonderful, more local trips. Like we've gone to Vegas and Santa Fe, all just in the last couple months using reward travel. But one of the things that I've been able to do that I see nobody else doing, nobody else is talking about this, and I really don't understand why, is once you get to your destination spot using your travel rewards, then you can also earn commissions on things like your VRBO and your transportation and your excursions and all of these things by becoming a certified travel advisor. And today it is easier than ever. I literally got an Instagram ad and signed up on a whim. And then when I went down the rabbit hole, was like, oh my gosh, everybody needs to be doing this. So I became certified through Fora. It's super, super simple. I'll include a link below this video. And they do have a $50 a month fee for their agency that gives you access to all these different things that then you can essentially earn commissions on. And so what I did to counteract that fee is I helped a friend with one international trip, and my commission on that was almost $1,000, which more than covered my $50 a month agency fee. And then from there, oh my gosh, you guys, you can get commissions on your Expedia bookings. You can even send links to friends and family. So when they book through your link, you actually get a commission on it. They call this affiliate, but you can do this for your own family's trips. And you can see how this can really stack and make travel so much more accessible and attainable, especially those dream trips. Now, as a travel advisor, you also have access to a lot of what they call DMCs. And what that means is you have access to more private and exclusive venues, events, rentals, experiences that are just absolutely not available to the public. And so being able to use that can really amplify and enhance the experience and save you a ton of money. Also, once you become a travel advisor, you qualify for certain tax benefits that you wouldn't have otherwise. And as a travel advisor too, this can become your own business, which will then essentially help you to qualify for different business credit cards that often have really excellent welcome bonuses and extra travel perks. For example, when on a recent trip to Costa Rica, when we landed, then we found out I rented a car through Expedia for $5 a day. Super, super awesome. And again, I got commission for it. But when we got to Costa Rica, they said, oh, you need to have mandatory auto insurance. And they wanted to charge us, the different plans were anywhere from $500 to $3,000 for our 10-day trip. Now, because I was able to put that on my business Chase Sapphire card, I was able to, one of their perks is that they have automatic international auto insurance. And so I needed to be able to prove that, which I was able to pull up on my phone, email to the agent right away, but I was able to save that additional fee because I was able to qualify for my business credit card because I was a travel agent, which then also gave me commission on the car. So fun. So it becomes its whole own thing and can be really, really fun when you gamify it. The other thing that's been really rewarding is, as I mentioned before, I was able to help a friend with a trip, and you don't need to charge any fees as an advisor for you to get commissions by working with clients. So it becomes really mutually beneficial to help friends and family out and find them excellent deals and help them with their trips. And then you get a commission on it and are able to save them money. And so it really becomes a really lovely, just delicious way to help everybody out. Really, this whole process takes travel hacking from saving to profiting and is such a fun technique that I don't see a lot of people talking about. Now, who this is for and who it's not. If you want to work with clients and help friends and family out and make this into its whole own thing, awesome, great, that's for some people. I honestly don't know if it's for me, but that's okay. But if you're a family who travels frequently, this can really, really help, again, by helping you earn commissions, which I kind of take as cash back on things like transportation and excursions and VRBOs if I'm not using points to book hotels. Also, if you're already helping friends and family with travel, you might as well earn commissions on it. And so if you're the person that your friends and family are coming to, then you might as well make an income out of that. And again, by making it a business, you can qualify for lots of other fun travel hacking benefits that wouldn't be accessible to you otherwise. If you have any questions, want to go further, check out the links below. I also have created a totally free resource on a beginner's guide to reward travel. Now, this is for the woman who is overwhelmed by it and might be tempted to just cash out her reward points and feel like that's a good deal. Please don't do that. Please, please don't. But this is excellent for getting started. I go through beginning strategies, how to set up your monthly budget for maximum reward points, and how to do it in a financially responsible way. So we're not taking out a whole bunch of credit cards. We're not being irresponsible. We're not trashing your credit score. And we're doing this in a really sustainable way. So that way you can really show your kids and your family the world. So that way you can take them on the amazing vacations that have absolutely been unattainable in the past. And I'm here to just tell you that it is possible. You can do it, and it's easier than you think. So I really hope this video is helpful for you guys. Again, my name is Lisa with Her Travel Club, and be sure to sign up for our resources below to get started on reward travel, and I'll see you next time.